Imagine a world where the background hum of life simply stops. No buzzing in the fields, no colorful wings in the canopy, nothing. Right now, in the heart of the tropics, from the Amazon to the savannas of Kenya, a silent catastrophe is unfolding. We think of the tropics as a paradise of heat, but for the creatures that run our planet, that heat has become a prison. We went to the front lines, from the scorched lowlands of Watamu to the peaks of Mount Kenya, from the deep Amazon to the high Andes. What we found isn't just a warning, it is a countdown. Insects are the tiny engineers of our world. They pollinate our food, they clean our soil. They are the foundation of every ecosystem we depend on. But our study revealed a terrifying reality. Tropical insects are living on the edge of their thermal limits. We measured their critical thermal maximum, the exact moment an insect loses control and enters a heat coma. For many, that limit is already here. In the lowlands, the thermal safety margin has vanished. These insects have no buffer left. We looked deep into their biology, using AI to study their proteins. We found that their very molecular architecture is locked. They cannot evolve fast enough to outrun the rising mercury. For a fly or a beetle in the lowland heat, the difference between life and death is now measured in seconds. This isn't just about bugs, this is about us. When an insect hits its limit, it doesn't just die, its reproduction fails, its population collapses, and when the insects go, the birds follow, the forests follow, our food systems follow. We are watching the threads of the web of life snap, one by one. In Africa and South America, these tiny lives are struggling to find a single patch of shade. Every tree we cut, every forest we fragment, removes a thermal refuge, a tiny sanctuary that could have meant survival. But the story isn't over, not yet. We can build climate corridors. We can protect the complex habitats, the savannas, the shrublands, and the ancient forests that provide the cooling shade these species desperately need. We must act to limit global warming, not tomorrow, now. This is a global mission. Share this video. Be the voice for the creatures who have none, because if we push them beyond their limits, we are pushing ourselves beyond ours. Protect the small, save the world. Let's build a resilient future together. Imagine a world where the background hum of life simply stops. No buzzing in the fields,